Alright, so we got this wheel here and it looks nice and dirty. Yeah. So we're going to be using this Armorall Quicksilver wheel and tire cleaner, spray on, hose off. Let's see. For best results, spray on evenly, dry cool wheels, let soak for 5 minutes, hose off with strong spray, dry immediately with a clean soft towel to prevent water spots. Alright, so it says spray on, hose off. We're going to find out if it's real or not. It said wheels and tires, so we'll go ahead and spray the tire also. Now Lucas claims he's not cleaned this wheel in a long time, but this is the only wheel on the whole car that's not clean. If you look at that wheel. We'll go around to the other side. Okay, that wheel's a little dirty. We'll spray it, we'll make sure we hit this one too. That one's not too bad. Alright, so we're gonna set the timer for 5 minutes and we'll check back with you as we get ready to hose this off. Alright, we're back. It's been 5 minutes. We got a water hose just like it said. We're going to see if this stuff sprays off. Alright, that actually wasn't too bad. I'm going to grab a brush right quick and we're going to do a little bit of scrubbing just to see if the rest of this will come off. But I'm impressed. That is as good, if not better, than the Nanolex that I reviewed in another video. Now, how long has it been since you cleaned this wheel up?
I can't even tell you. I think the last time I washed my car was last summer. Normally at the rain dude's job.
Oh, okay. You're one of those. Oh, this wheel's definitely one of the dirtiest I've seen before. I guess stuff's like embedded into the aluminum. No exaggeration. I'm like,
bring it on Lucas.
Alright, that does it. You saw I did a little bit of scrubbing to get the very caked off areas, or caked on areas off. There's still some areas down in there where you can see, and this is, I mean, the aluminum itself is rough, so I have to do quite a bit of scrubbing to get that off of there. But I will say that wheel cleaner does a really good job, and it's a lot cheaper than the Nanolex that I reviewed in the other videos. So if you happen to be out and see that at the parts store, it's definitely worth the $1. You literally do spray it on let it soak and spray it off. I only did some scrubbing because these wheels hadn't been cleaned in probably a year. So thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button for me, leave me a comment below, and we'll see you on the next one. And here y'all thought I forgot the other wheel. I don't think Lucas sprayed it on as good as I did though, so we're gonna edit this out of the video.